In this video, we are going to take a closer look at wrinkles. And as you can see, you can suggest the surface is curved because of the light and the shading. And the way I approach wrinkles is I make a rough sketch in which I indicate where the wrinkle is going to be. And then I'm going to apply a basic layer of color. In this case, it was orange. And then I'm going to emphasize the wrinkle with, in this case, brown. And on top of the wrinkle, I'm going to put a little shading. And it has to be in some kind of a gradient. So I'm applying more pressure on top of the wrinkle. And then less pressure until no pressure at all, which means this area is going to be light. And make sure you are consistent with that. On top of the wrinkle, the darkest part, and gradually go to a gradient. So from dark to light, dark to light, dark to light, and dark to light. I've made a rough sketch and I've indicated where the wrinkle is going to be, and I've applied a basic layer, in this case orange. And like I said, I'm going to emphasize the wrinkle, the area where I want the wrinkle to be, in brown. And what I'm going to do next is on top of the wrinkle, I'm going to apply a darker layer. And gradually work my way up. Without pressure. So more pressure on top of the wrinkle, no pressure on top. So this is going to be the lightest part, this is going to be the darkest part. And when I approach another wrinkle, I'm doing the same thing. On top of the wrinkle, the darkest part, the shading. Applying less pressure. So this is basically how you can suggest a wrinkle, and this is just with two colors, but of course you have to use more colors to make it more natural. But as long as you remember, make a wrinkle, emphasize it with a color, not black. Try not to use black, just a color, a dark color. And on top of it, you're going to put more shading, so more pressure. And as you go along the way, give it less pressure so it becomes a kind of a gradient. So have fun drawing.